Hey everybody, it's Colleen. A couple weeks ago, I did a tutorial, just a brief one, on the new color handling in Squarespace 7.1. And I told you I was going to kind of show you some other little tips and tricks about that in upcoming videos, and that's what we're going to do today. Now, as you know, the color handling for me in the new Squarespace 7.1 was okay. I got to admit, at first it was something that was like a deal breaker for me. I wasn't going to do it. Then as I started working with 7.1 a little bit more for clients, I started being like, okay, it's okay. I can see why they're doing it. And then, as of lately, I'm kind of like, okay, this is not so bad. And, from a designer's perspective, it doesn't give me the easy flexibility that I had before. And by easy, I mean, I'm familiar with it. And I think that's what the whole thing is all about. But for you guys out there who, you don't want to be a web designer, you want to run your business, this color handling is actually pretty darn cool. So to get started with your color handling, you're going to hit design and you're going to go to colors. That's pretty self-explanatory. And this is the default color theme that's coming up for the Ballard theme, which is the one that I just seem to pick the most. This is one of the pre-picked designer color palettes, and if you click the edit button, you can go in here to the designer palettes and you'll see that these are the ones that Squarespace has picked for you, and the colors that you pick are going to coordinate with what you see here for your theme. And as we discussed already, this is the white bold, this is the white minimal, I should say, and as you're editing your site, it'll show you which one of these themes that you're using, and you'll change these in your settings, obviously. And what they coordinate with is this is going to be your mid color, which will be what's displayed on your page, and then this is going to be the text color. So you'll have, obviously, white or this orangey color or this gray blue. These are going to be the colors that you'll see for your text. Now, when you click that edit button again, you'll see that you do have some other things. You have some from image. You can have an actual where you can just pick a color, or you can do custom colors. And we already kind of talked about the custom colors and how you can change those. But one thing that I'm really excited about this for you guys is this from image option. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little designer secret. I'm asked all the time, Colleen, how do you come up with all those great color combinations? And the secret is, when I work with a client, I ask them to find me photos. I send them to Unsplash and places like that. And I ask them to make a collection for me of some photos that they really feel like them and feel like their business and things like that. And what I do then is kind of really analyze those pictures to find a common theme. And there always is one, because we're predictable people and we like predictable things. There's always a common theme that feels good to that person. And it's a warm feeling or a cool feeling, or, it's bright or it's dark, it's pastel or it's vivid. There's always this central theme that pops up. And what I then do is take that image and I start pulling my colors from it. And those are the colors that I use when I design the website. So there, you just had a really free, cool, pick the designer brain moment there. So anyway, what Squarespace has done is actually given you that option to do it yourself. And I'm so excited for you for this, because to me, it's a game changer for you. So from image, all you have to do is go here, and I'm going to pick this basil image that I already have. I just click to browse. My internet's a little slow today, so bear with me. And I just downloaded that picture. I'm going to upload it. And there it is. And look what just happened. Did you see that change? Was that not the coolest thing ever? What it did was automatically created a theme, a color palette for you. And I am so excited about this because I just think it's amazing. I mean, look at how that automatically, just made these colors for you. And, with the heading and everything else, I'm going to do another one just so you can see. the difference. It's just so exciting. Look at this one changed a little. Now you have this kind of this blue color that popped up. And, you know, if you're a coach or something like that and you do a lot of things like that, and I'll check that part. Look, and it just changed again to another complementary color scheme based on that photo. So I just think that this is really, I just love this. I'm just so excited about it. And I think it's just going to give you all so much flexibility and versatility and just save you so much time. And you know what? A lot of stress. And that's what I'm here for. When you don't have that tech overwhelm stress, you're free to be creative and do all the things that you do. So little tools like this that Squarespace has now given us are really going to help you. And I mean, look at this awesome earthy color palette. It's perfect for, you know, farmers and garden designers and, you know, floral people. And, you know, you guys are my people. So, you know, get in here and, you know, I'm going to be releasing my templates here pretty soon. And you're going to be able to, you know, pick some photos for yourself and really customize your website template and make it your own. So I hope this was kind of as exciting for you as it was for me. And I'll see you in another tutorial soon. Have a great day.